Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have this one. Now we need to put the integration for the both sides from negative number 7 to number 9. So the integration of this one we have to ask, and we put the bound from negative number 7 to number 9. This one we keep the same. This one that is about s, and we put the bounds from negative number 7 to number 9. So we have the final answer. So this one we calculate, and we have 32. This one we have 48. This is the end. Thank you for watching.